After many people talking of INJ going to $100 and above, the price now finds itself 65% down from the highs seen in March. So we're going to take a look in this video. Is it time to sell our holdings in INJ if we still have a position, or should we be accumulating in this area? Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin a link to our free Telegram group and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So looking at the technical analysis here on the weekly chart for INJ, this was one of the sort of early movers, one of the strongest performers early in this market cycle, and after we saw the breakout of this range in October, we did something like a 400%, 450% move up to the highs at $52 during the first part of March, and as I said, we are now 65% down from that price. But if we zoom out a little bit here on the weekly chart, we can see we're actually kind of at a really significant level. This here is the highest weekly close of 2021, and we have bounced and held this level so far on the weekly chart. But we have, a few sort of early part of April, we did see a reaction from here already, doing a sort of 65% move up from the area. We are back at that area again, retesting. We do also have weekly demand in this area too. So although it is quite a wide range, $20 down to sort of $15, $16 does look like a good accumulation zone. One thing we should be aware of though is, looking here still at the weekly chart, is the potential breakdown of this weekly level at the weekly close. Now obviously I'm doing this video just before the weekly close, but at the moment it does look like there's a chance that this level is broken, and a chance for that then to become resistance at $23. We saw a very similar thing happen on the breakdown here during sort of February and March. Really strong weekly support, multiple bounces from the $32 area. This broke down, and we can see how we've got an exact rejection from that a couple of weeks ago or last week. So very, a good chance that could happen again, and we see resistance and potentially even a further breakdown towards the lower part of this weekly demand. However, another reason for a strong confidence here that this is a potential area to be accumulating is if we draw the fib levels from the bear market lows of 2022 up to the recent high at $52, we can see this weekly level looks like it's really trying to hold to the key 618 fib level around $21. So a good sign if that holds. But we can see that this level here for the FME does look like accumulation. You have to kind of be patient if you're looking to take a position here, simply because of these resistance areas that I mentioned. But sort of in the medium to long term, I'm very aware that this massive wick here shows there's big liquidity up at $52. So for me, it's only a matter of time that this level does get taken. But of course, there's a big resistance at 32 to get through first. Also, this bounce here, like many altcoins, is in confluence with what we're seeing on the total too. So this is the altcoin market cap, and it's held and bounced well from the 980 billion level. And as long as the weekly chart holds this level, then down here is sort of good areas to be accumulating altcoins. If we start to break below this on the weekly, then we could see much lower prices. But all the time this is holding, and we're seeing these strong levels hold on altcoins from the previous highs of 2021. Then for me, this looks like accumulation. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on INJ and your long-term price targets for this. Thanks for watching.